a chicken sweater, a jumper for a sheep after shaving, a backpack, a jumper for a dog, an ostrich or a bird sweater, undergarments like a bra top, a lot of sweaters and clothing, shorts, overalls, sweaters for chickens. Love the comments. Welcome back, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Christine here from Unique Sapphire. I'm glad to see all your smiling faces. At least you should be smiling. You made it through Monday, right? So what have I been knitting? Well, that's why I decided to share it with you, is because it could be a controversial subject to some. But I don't judge, because people can be really mean. I have a friend. My friend is a non-crafter. Contacted me. There goes Gus, my bulldog. You'll hear him in the videos from time to time because he guards the studio door. All right, back to the story. So my friend, who is a non-crafter, non-knitter, crocheter, anything, fell in love with the colorway, and thank you all for the love for the colorway. It may come back because my friend bought the last of them for me to create this for them. With that being said, why the controversy? And I thought, what better audience than to share it with you that I have a friend that is a furry. What? Yes. My friend is a furry. Let's Google this real quick here. Actually, they call it anthracon. It will be in Pittsburgh here come July 4th through the 7th. So I had a really fast turnaround time on this custom. So what is it? Well, let me show you what I created. And for those who have guessed that it was a hat, it is correct. And the ear holes for this costume. And of course, I made some funky art yarn, hand sewn or tacked around, because I don't even know if this thing's going to fit. Yikes. I don't. I honestly don't. My friend did give me a hat that kind of sort of fits. It was crocheted by one of their friends, and they said it falls off. So I had to go by the measurements of that crocheted hat to make this one. Like I said, it is quite large. And I'm like, whoa. I thought, okay, a few days worth of work. But it was fun to do, fun to have you guys guess what I was creating here. And I want to give a shout out to, let's see, I wrote them down here, of course. As you age, you can't see. Gus. So Fumble Bunny was the first one. The first one who commented the closest. And also Martha Johnston, because she mentioned the ear holes for a large animal. And I think she said, let's go back to the comments here, the work in progress, I love that, is a hat with such large ear holes. It's either for a horse or a dog with long floppy ears. Yes, Martha and Fumble Bunny. You'll have to send me a message either on Instagram, Facebook, or on my website with some information, and we can chat on what you can pick out of my store. You know, one skein each, and I'll send it to you. It was such fun watching these comments come in and I had a few laughs. I thought, okay, well, why don't I sit in front of the camera, take a sip of water and spit them out, because sometimes I was laughing so hard. I was like, huh. Such creative minds. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So what's going to be next? Again, comment below if you're having issues with something and you would like to see a tutorial on something. And again, like I said, thank you for the compliments on the colorway. It's actually 2 different colors that I used for the stripes on this, and they might be coming back. Just let me know if you're interested in them. As always, please like, subscribe, comment. I love seeing comments to see what is on your needles or hooks. Okay? So I'll see you in the next one. Peace. It was really hard and tough to try to say it's a human wouldn't wear and not give it away. It was really hard to figure out how to say that. But awesome comments, guys. I appreciate it. I might have fried my laptop if I would have filmed with liquids in here. Not a good thing. I didn't want to ask my friend for the head of the costume. That would have been pretty weird. I'm not even sure what it is. But I think it's some sort of dog. I don't know. To each his own. I probably, yeah, not my type of stuff to get into. But some of these costumes, wow. And to think something that I made is going to be on there. I probably really fumbled that. But it's pretty cool. They say, we are a collection of artists, animators, writers, costumers, puppeteers, and more. And just everyday fans who enjoy cartoon animals and their kin. No, I'm not going. I have my fur baby here. Bye.